Michael DiSpezio, and welcome. Coronaviruses are a group or a family of viruses that share certain characteristics. Some coronaviruses cause the common cold. Others cause diseases such as SARS and MERS. SARS, the severe acute respiratory syndrome, was caused by a coronavirus that was transferred most likely from bat to a type of cat and then jumped into a human host, which is a characteristic of coronaviruses. They can jump hosts. Now, the symptoms of SARS was respiratory distress, cough, difficulty breathing. Now, there's another type of coronavirus which you might have heard of, and that's MERS, the Middle East Respiratory Syndrome coronavirus. And this coronavirus caused similar types of symptoms. And instead of coming from a cat, this one probably jumped from a camel into the human population. COVID-19 virus is also a coronavirus. And as I said, these viruses share common characteristics. What are those characteristics? Well, let's look at similarities in structure. All of these coronaviruses have an outer envelope. Now, this envelope is made of a membrane. It's a lipid membrane that is ripped off from the infected host cell, and it's studded with various proteins. The largest of these proteins is the spike, or S protein, and that extends outward from that outer envelope of the virus. It gives an appearance that the virus has a halo or a corona, hence the name coronavirus. Within that outer envelope matrix, remember it's been cut out from the cell, so it's kind of floppy. It has a fat base to it. You have other proteins called the membrane proteins or the M proteins, and they give a structure to that envelope, and that structure results in the spherical shape of this virus. Perhaps the most interesting of the proteins are the ones which bind to the RNA. These are called nucleoproteins or N proteins. And the nucleoproteins bind so tightly and wrap to it in such a way that they cause that straight piece of RNA to coil like a helix. And it gives this helical appearance. So there you have it. Common features that are found in a group of viruses called the coronaviruses.